The Huawei Mate 80 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. This time, Huawei is introducing something that could redefine how users interact with their phones, a brand new AI agent. The company is reportedly testing advanced artificial intelligence features designed to give the Mate 80 an edge over its competitors, especially against Honor's Magic 8 lineup, according to a reliable source named Smart Pikachu. The Huawei Mate 80 series will come equipped with this new AI agent. This addition is expected to make the Mate 80 smarter, faster, and more capable when it comes to completing complex tasks. Beyond that, it will also strengthen the phone's overall connectivity and integration with other Huawei devices. So, what exactly is an AI agent? In simple terms, it's a separate software system built into the device that operates using advanced artificial intelligence. These agents rely on large language models, also known as LLMs, the same type of technology that powers modern chatbots and AI assistants. Unlike traditional voice assistants that can handle only one command at a time, AI agents can manage multiple tasks simultaneously. They can make decisions, answer questions, and even take proactive actions to assist users, all without needing continuous input. This marks a big step forward for Huawei's AI development. It appears that the company is completely revamping its Celia AI assistant for the Mate 80 series. Celia has been Huawei's in-house assistant for several years, but now it seems to be transforming into something much more advanced and capable. This move could help Huawei compete directly with Honor's Magic 8, which features its own AI agent called Yoyo. Honor's Yoyo assistant made its debut last year with the Magic 7 series. It was a major highlight at the time, especially in China, where it even outperformed many rivals including the iPhone 16 series, which lacked similar AI features. Yoyo could execute multiple commands at once and handle complex user requests with ease, earning widespread praise for its intelligence and efficiency. Now, Huawei is preparing to strike back with its next-generation AI technology. Reports suggest that the Mate 80's new AI agent, possibly an upgraded version of Celia, will feature what Huawei describes as embodied intelligence. This means the assistant won't just respond to voice commands, but will also interact in more natural and context-aware ways. It could anticipate user needs, suggest actions, and help manage daily routines, all powered by on-device intelligence for better privacy and speed. While Huawei hasn't revealed the full details yet, the concept of embodied intelligence hints at deeper AI integration throughout the system. This could include smarter photo processing, real-time translations, personalized recommendations, and even advanced security features. The phone might be able to learn from user habits and adapt over time, something that could make the overall experience far more personal and intuitive. With the Mate 80 series, Huawei is clearly focusing on innovation and intelligence. The inclusion of a standalone AI agent suggests the company wants to take a leading role in the next generation of smartphone AI technology. This also aligns with Huawei's ongoing efforts to strengthen its Harmonious ecosystem, connecting its phones, tablets, and wearables through seamless AI-driven interaction. If this new agent performs as expected, it could mark a major milestone not only for Huawei, but for the entire smartphone industry. AI is rapidly becoming the defining feature of modern devices, and companies like Huawei, Honor, and Apple are racing to offer the smartest and most responsive experiences possible. At the moment, Huawei has kept most of the details under wraps. However, industry insiders expect that more information about the Mate 80's AI agent will surface by the end of this month. As anticipation builds, it's clear that Huawei aims to set a new standard for AI in smartphones, one that moves beyond simple voice commands toward a more intelligent, interactive, and human-like experience. In short, the Huawei Mate 80 series is not just about hardware upgrades or design improvements. It's about bringing intelligence to the core of the smartphone experience. With the introduction of this new AI agent, Huawei is preparing to go head-to-head with the Magic 8's Yoyo assistant and prove that innovation in AI can truly transform the way users connect with their devices. Stay tuned for more updates as Huawei unveils what could be its smartest smartphone yet, the Mate 80 series, powered by next-level artificial intelligence.